Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's June 25th, 2025, and it's about 7:25 or so. And it's like 77 degrees, and it's a little windy. It's okay. Keeps me cool down. And a lot of clouds moved in, and off and on sun. A lot of blue today in the sky. I didn't get much done today like I had planned because I ended up having to go downtown to Les Schwab's and look at some tires and wheels for the Tahoe, since the factory ones won't fit with the lift kit. So that's fine. I was gonna buy them anyway, just a little sooner than I had planned. Well, tomorrow's another day, and hopefully I'll get something done productive. So appreciate you watching. Have a great evening. Catch you next time.